Hi, welcome to Overture by DF Music. When you take your French horn out of the case for the first time, you're going to want to make sure it fits in your hand properly. And you can adjust it by taking this tool that comes with the instrument and loosening these screws a little bit, and then you can move the pinky hook or this flipper. You can move it to a position that will be comfortable for you as you play. The next thing we're going to do is show you how to oil rotary valves on this French horn. The first thing you need to do is remove the slide tubes and then squirt some valve oil on the inside of the slide tubes so that it'll get inside where the rotary valves are. And then keep the instrument in this position and rock it back and forth and work the valves. That'll coat the inside of the valves. The next step in oiling the rotary valves is to remove the cap and apply some key oil right in the very center of the valve. And do this on each one so that the bearing will be lubricated. And after you've done all three of the top ones, then we're going to oil the backside. After you've oiled the top of the rotary valve, you want to apply some key oil on the backside where the valve stem is coming through the valve casing. And in order to do that, you would just put a drop right there and then work the valve so that the oil can get down inside the valve stem. The key oil is thicker and will last longer on the rotary valves, and you can use this on any rotary valve instrument.